Hi, I'm Jessica Rollins, the Farmamerica Executive Director, and I want to show you a little bit about our 1930s dairy farm that we have. It's a really neat historic setup where we even have live animals on site during the warmer months, and we have a problem with our 1930s dairy barn. Unfortunately, the wood is rotting. So this barn joined us in the 1980s, and it has been here almost since our organization was founded 45 years ago. But we can't really paint the wood anymore because what we have happening is a ton of wood that is just rotting off the side of the barn. And this is a historic landmark and a very nostalgic piece for a lot of folks who come to visit our space and want to talk about the history of agriculture and what it was like when they grew up on their farm. So the barn means a lot to our community. It means a lot to rural Minnesota as well, because it is such an iconic piece for people to see. Without this, at our 1930s dairy farm site, the story of agriculture and its rich heritage is just not complete for us. We have an 1850s farm site with log cabin and log barn. We have a one-room country schoolhouse, a country church, a really pretty visitor center, and this barn that just needs a little bit of love on the exterior. And once we can get that fixed up and have some nice red siding on it, I think folks will find that they really enjoy reintroducing themselves to our space and enjoy the interior as well as the exterior. Well, we will put some additional exhibits. So you can see we have our little pretend dairy cows right now in the stall. And then in just a couple weeks, we're gonna be bringing in actual farm animals for the season, and they'll be housed on this side of the barn. And we'll give this space just a little bit of a facelift as well. So help from Kubota would be incredible. That means we can fix up the exterior with the red siding that we haven't been able to afford in the past. And it means our community can really feel proud of the space that they love to support. You can see we already did a little patchwork up there. And as we walk to the other side, you'll also see several spots where we've patched it up, because some of the spots are just more rotten than others. So we've had to kind of take it into our own hands. And instead of painting it, we've been using whatever color tin we have to patch it up. So you can walk with me here in our 1930s farm site, and you can appreciate that I'm not editing this video, doing it all in one take here to save myself time and to give you the full experience of being on the farm. But you will see there we have some different colored siding, and it just kind of continues. We kind of added a little bit of a brown there, so it blends in and not everybody sees it, but what it really needs is some good, refreshed, brand new red siding. So this space can have a just good revived experience, and folks will enjoy being here with us so we can celebrate the evolving story of agriculture here in Minnesota. We appreciate your consideration and look forward to working with you guys. Have a great day.